Orchids believes in any topic that we are interacting with. We want the child to know the why of it, and how of it, and when of it. It's really very interesting. One thing is, what we had, the normal schools are the whiteboards and the digiboards that is there. This interactive panel is making a teacher as well as a child be more, descriptive in their usage of those apps that is there. And than the normal boards, this particular interactive board is applying a lot of features in that.
Before we are using smart board, like green board and whiteboard. So it's the thing is, like, if you go for the revision and all, it's very difficult for us and for students also. What we teach, even the teacher also forgot. This is a very nice for us. If before 1 month or 2 months, अगर मैं कुछ teach करती हूँ, so easily we have to open that data and with documents. Easily we have to put in the screen. Like they will, okay ma'am, we learn this, we know this, we were teaching before 2 months and all. So हमें पता है ऐसा करके we have to use on this board. So this board is very useful for us on this time.
Meantime, we are using the Blackboard, and compared to Blackboard, this is the advanced technology we are using, and it is a very handy for us.
I only like this one. Everything is coming. If he is searching for anything, everything will come. Even for this also, writer also. If you want Q is lesson, everything automatically it's coming. So I'm very happy about this.
Bright Note and Bright AI, that is very useful for us. Because not for me as a Hindi teacher, for all the teachers, because that strokes are there. Which stroke we need to use, the 2 lines or square box or anything or plain screen. We can use all the things.
With the help of AI tool, they were able to take up one topic, put in, we had all the written part, translations, all those coming in. So that was even more interesting for teachers. They've been given a really good hand and tool to work on. Let us try and explore.